To make a big sized banner in Canva, let's come into the search template and search for banner. Canva will bring up all those templates that are under here for banner. You want to select a template that works for your vibe. Let's pick this first template and I want to click on customize design. From here, if I want to make the biggest sized banner, I will come to this drop down here and come over to more, come into custom size. I'll leave my unit as pixel and type into this place for the width 8000 and for the height 3125. This is the largest you can go in Canva, and I'll click on create a new design. I'm going to click on this first page here, come into position and go over to layers, and I'm going to select the first element in my design. Hold down the shift key on my keyboard and click here to select all the elements on my page. And once I have that, I'll come to these three dots and copy, paste my design. Another thing I want to do from here is to group this, so nothing shifts when I start expanding. And I would expand, some things are going to be lost in this place. This is the downside of using free Canva accounts. If you're using a pro account, you can just come into this design and right click on the design and you will see resize page, which is a pro feature. I'm going to click on resize page and it's asking me what size I want to give it. I will give it the same size so you see how it turns out. And we are going to copy and resize. You see how beautifully it resized this design. We can now come to this yellow color and pull this out. And once you're done, you've edited your banner, you've done everything, you want to come to share. Since you'll be printing this and you click on download, let's select our page 2, which is what we want to print. Click on done and come over to file type here and click this drop down here, and we want to select PDF print. Since we are printing this still, I'm still going to click this drop down here and select CMYK best for professional printing, and you hit download.